Welcome to Retirement Explorers Learn French series. In this episode, we break down 10 of the most common French words and phrases you'll hear every day in casual conversations with friends. Number 1.
Ça roule?
Which means how's it going? Or everything good? For example,
Salut, ça roule?
Ouais, tranquille.
hey, how's it going? Followed by the response, yeah, all good. Number 2.
Ouais,
Which means yeah, the casual version of yes. For example,
tu viens ce soir?
Ouais, bien sûr.
are you coming tonight? Followed by the response, yeah, of course. Number 3.
T'inquiète.
Which means don't worry about it.
Or,
No problem. For example,
désolé, je suis en retard.
T'inquiète, j'ai pas attendu longtemps.
sorry, I'm late. Followed by the response, don't worry, I didn't wait long. Number 4.
Bof,
Which means so-so, meh, or not great. For example,
alors, le film?
Bof, j'ai pas trop aimé.
so, how was the movie? Followed by the response, meh, I didn't really like it. Number 5.
C'est clair.
Which means totally, for sure, exactly. For example,
Il fait trop chaud aujourd'hui.
C'est clair.
it's so hot today. Followed by the response, totally. Number 6.
Grave.
Which means so true, or totally. It can also mean serious in other contexts. For example,
Cette chanson est trop bien.
Grave.
this song is so good, followed by the response, totally. Number 7.
Vas-y.
Which means go ahead, sure, or do it. It is also used as filler like come on. For example,
Je peux prendre ton stylo?
Vas-y.
can I take your pen? Followed by the response, go ahead. Number 8.
Ça me saoule.
Which means it annoys me, or I'm fed up. For example,
Il parle tout le temps. Ça me saoule.
he talks all the time, it's so annoying. Number 9.
Trop.
Which means very or so, which is a slangy intensifier, especially among young people. For example,
C'était trop bien la soirée hier.
the party yesterday was so good. Number 10.
À plus.
Or A+ in text messages, which means see you later. For example,
Bon, je dois y aller.
Ok, à plus.
well, I've got to go, followed by the response, okay, see you later. New vocabulary, conversations, and real-life language tips drop every week, only on Retirement Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow learners, expats, and francophiles.
À très bientôt et bonne exploration.